Let's go ahead and check our work with this problem. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Regroup that too. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 gives me 17. Regroup that 1. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22. Finally, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. I'm going to go ahead and add in my magic 0 since I'm done multiplying my digit in the ones place. I'm moving on to my digit in the tens place, which is my 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. My 4 at the bottom, regroup my 6 over that 5. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 6 is 46. Regroup that 4 above the 7. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. Regroup that 6 above the 3. And then we have 8 times 3, which is 24, plus 6, which is 30. Now I'm going to add up all of my partial products. And we have 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 8 is 12. Regroup that 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Regroup that 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 3 plus nothing gives me 3. So then I move in 3 digits, but look, I have 4 digits left, so I can go another 3 digits, and that is my answer.